Resource Manager Interview Questions and Answers 2024. Resource managers dole out staff to projects. They help project managers with the distribution of staff to projects.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Screen the use of workers allocated to projects, and perform general HR-related cycles. They likewise facilitate resources for the executives with different divisions. While interviewing resource managers, search for candidates who show activity in doling out appropriate staff to projects and the capacity to moderate resource designation challenges. Maintain a strategic distance from candidates with restricted information on the project, the executive's programming, and the individuals who need relational abilities. Solid relational abilities, including an undeniable degree of affability, strategy, and objectivity, are significant in this position.
Resource managers should have the option to build up solid working associations with the board, representatives, sellers, and other external resources. They will likewise be called upon for periodic compromise. Likewise, regardless of whether your HR manager is a mid-level worker or liable for regulating the whole division, they will have a few obligations in staffing and preparing their group. As a resource manager, interview questions yourself. You definitely realize that the ideal approach to do that is to catch up on your interview abilities. It's consistently a smart thought to plan for the most widely recognized questions for an HR interview. Yet, in the event that you need to truly wow the employing group, you'll need to go above and beyond and research resource manager interview questions and answers that explicitly address the job you're applying for. Look at these basic resource manager interview questions for resource managers that we've gathered together just as tips. The given sets below will draw an idea of the most proficient method to respond to the interview questions for the HR position. List of top 45 resource manager interview questions and answers. It's completely relevant to go through these important resource manager interview questions and answers to land a good position in the domain. We have a breakdown combination of questions sets below for preparing through the HR manager interview questions and answers for experienced candidates and freshers, which not act as an advantage over peers but broaden knowledge in the field. Resource Manager Interview Questions and Answers Set 1. 1. What is the board style? Numerous individuals lean towards one administration style specifically, and it's totally fine to share that. However, recall that as you move to another organization with another culture and individuals, for sure, what's worked for you in the past will not really be the correct decision. As one interview candidate notes, one needs to acclimate to every person and likewise conform to the group as. Describing your very own administration style while additionally demonstrating receptiveness to adaptability is key here. 2. As an HR manager, how might drive results? Progressively, resource managers isn't just about overseeing advantages or settling representative debates. It's tied in with driving business results through successful individuals on the board. To wow your interviewer, talk about the center activities you'd execute at the planned organization, how you would gauge achievement, and what the activities would mean for the primary concern. 3. What do you like least about the universe of resource managers? Everybody has portions of their work they aren't wild about. In any case, it's imperative to abstain from appearing to be excessively negative or reluctant. In the event that you don't care for enlisting, for instance, you shouldn't say, "I scorn selecting," and leave it at that. All things considered, you should say something more along the lines of, "Enlisting isn't my obsession, yet I understand what a significant job it plays to an organization's prosperity, so I wouldn't fret about taking it on as one of my duties." 4. Portray an ideal work environment for you. This inquiry is significant on several fronts. For one, it permits you to depict what you actually need to manage your work effectively, which is significant in deciding if the organization you're interviewing with is the correct fit. Furthermore, However, it's additionally a decent beginning stage for you to discuss how you would shape the working environment and friends culture whenever given the work. 5. As a resource manager's individual, what is your view on work disposals? In the resource manager's field, you regularly need to settle on intense decisions. One of those, shockingly, is work ends, regardless of whether through cutbacks or termination. That likely shouldn't be the principal move you make. An exhibition improvement plan, for instance, can be exactly what you need to bring a failure to meet expectations representative acceptable. However, when that doesn't work out, or a worker accomplishes something especially offensive, there comes a moment that you need to release a representative to benefit the organization, and it's imperative to impart to your potential business that you understand that.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.